random sounds while playing Fact Force. And why won't it work? Okay, so we gotta rejoin again. Come on. Okay, so why hasn't anyone deployed yet? Oh, maybe it was still loading in. No one's there. I haven't been making any loud sounds yet because it's not even loud sounds in the game. Oh yeah, we got someone. We got someone. Where did they go? Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. Oh, okay. Now we're hearing some sounds. It's like moving everywhere. And now I've been oh. Why? Why did that person have to go right in front of me? Okay. Team P. Hoi. Okay, we're in. So we should capture that. Oh, why are we going in? Hill, let's get that. Come on, why is it so far? Wait, that's one of the loud sounds I've made so far. Ay. Let's make another loud sound. Okay. Are you serious? Are we serious? Let's do this. Someone has to text in the middle of someone shooting. Are you serious? Okay, now I will not have to check. I was AFK, yes. Oh. Admit you leave game. Admit you leave game. Okay. Do you want to still play this game? Play this game. Come on. Answer me. Okay. To my neighbor. I have to get food. To my neighbor. Okay, come on. Okay. He's gonna answer. Come on. To my neighbor. You still doing that? Okay, so this is just a break for waiting while he's typing. Finally. To my neighbor, can you play? Yes, my dad say. Oh, of course, while I'm typing. Well, I don't think you do an AFK or button. Like an AFK button, not or button. No, silent. Yup. Let's do this. I better not make this a long video so I can like edit it really fast. Why am I not? Okay, that was an easy kill. Are you serious? Still so right at me. I almost got that guy killed. Wait, can you even accidentally kill your teammate? Oh my, someone's shooting. Oh, thank you for that. Is this a better gun? I don't even pick up the guns anymore because for some reason my gun has got to be better. I think it's because it's like does more damage because I just found out I could have added a different attachment that does more damage. So I added it and now it's like making me better than you. Are you serious? Except when someone's behind me. What is that sound? Okay. After this vid, I will end it now. Yes, that is right. I will end it, and I hope you had a great day. Yeah, and if you're watching on December 25th, which is Christmas and if you're watching on Christmas, then Merry Christmas. And today is Christmas Eve, so if it's watching tonight, which will be most likely not to happen because it's... Wait, it might be even uploaded tomorrow on Christmas. I'm not sure, but have a great day and make sure you subscribe.